Aloha Kauai. This is your County of Kauai briefing for Thursday, September 23rd. This week we continue to see an elevated number of community-acquired infections among residents. A majority of the infected residents are close contacts of previously known cases or tied to one of our active clusters. It remains risky to gather, especially if you are unvaccinated.
On Tuesday and Wednesday, the Kauai District Health Office confirmed a total of 49 cases, 1 visitor and 48 residents. 11 of them were children. Today we have 23 new cases to report, 2 visitors and 21 residents. 9 are children and 14 are adults. 4 of the cases are related to travel and the remaining 19 are considered community acquired. This brings the number of active cases to 240, with 7 hospitalized. 7 people are in our isolation facility and the rest are directed to isolate at home. Close contacts are being identified, offered testing, and directed to quarantine. Investigations are ongoing. If you test positive, don't wait for us to call. Isolate yourself immediately and inform your close contacts. Since the beginning of the pandemic, we have confirmed a total of 2,130 cases on island, with 11 fatalities.
When we last updated our tier system and created tiers 5 and 6, we anticipated dropping all restrictions once the state hit a fully vaccinated rate of 70%. However, as have seen the effects of the Delta variant, and as we approach that 70% benchmark, we know that continued safety measures will be necessary to contain the spread of disease on our island. Wearing our masks, keeping our distance, and restricting our gathering sizes have worked in containing the spread of disease. Throughout this pandemic, we have adjusted to the changing realities of COVID-19, and we continually work to keep our community safe while doing everything we can to keep our businesses and activities open. Like the other counties, we will be moving away from the current tier system. However, we remain committed to keeping schools, youth sports, local businesses, and parks and activities open with safety measures in place, so long as our hospitals have capacity to continue serving our community. We also foresee continued restrictions on social gatherings and professionally organized events, and we support the extension of the governor's statewide indoor mask mandate. Any proposed adjustment to our current rules will be passed through Governor Ige for his approval, and we will continue to provide updates to the public as policy decisions are made. Please stay tuned. As a friendly reminder, individuals who violate the state of Hawaii's emergency rules, such as indoor mask wearing and gathering sizes, are subject to a $250 fine, and business owners and event organizers will be issued a $500 fine on site. To report a violation, visit www.kauai.gov/COVID-19 and click on the button on the top to report a violation. Some good news in our collective effort to keep one another safe. As of today, 65% of Kauai residents are fully vaccinated and 70% have gotten at least their first dose. Mahalo to everyone for doing your part to protect our community. The vaccines are the most effective tool we have to reduce hospitalizations and deaths and avoid a shutdown. We're grateful to each of you who have joined us in getting vaccinated. You can visit one of our mobile clinics in a neighborhood close to you. They're open to ages 12 and up, and no appointments are needed. Free mobile clinics will be held at Anaina Hall in Kilauea this Friday from noon to 3 p.m. and again Saturday morning from 9 to 11 a.m. Also, on Saturday, clinics will take place at Kaumokani Hall from 9 to 11 a.m. and the hospital vaccine van will be at Hanalei Neighborhood Center from noon to 3 p.m. Vaccines are available daily island-wide. Visit kauai.gov/vaccine for a full list of locations. If you're hosting a community event, you can request the Department of Health's van to offer vaccines to adults at your event. Please visit kauai.gov/vaccine for more details. Testing is also available daily at locations across the island. For a full list of free COVID-19 testing locations, visit kauai.gov/COVID test. Mahalo to everyone working together to keep our community safe. Please don't travel unless absolutely necessary. If you do, get tested. Don't gather. If you do, stay outdoors. Wear a mask when around others. Stay home when sick. Get vaccinated if you can. Mahalo, Kauai.